If you're creating a website to publish your portfolio, sample your work, or to build a personal brand, you may want to add your resume to make it accessible to potential employers, contacts, and clients. The common approach of publishing a resume online is to upload a PDF. And while this is an effective method for providing a printer-friendly version, it isn't screen-friendly and does not provide any information from your resume for search engines to include in their results. Instead, add your resume to your site using a text block. This will help ensure that your target audience can find your website based on the terms in your resume. To add a text block, open a page or post editor. Click an insert point and select text from the block menu. If you're copying and pasting from another source, paste it as plain text to avoid formatting issues. When formatting your resume, it's best to use heading 2 for your section titles and optionally heading 3 for past job titles and other essential information. This will help keywords stand out to search engines, which makes it easier for your target audience to find you. It's also good to use numbered or bulleted lists to organize information in each section. If you'd like to create a line break, press Shift and return. Another benefit of entering your resume in a text block is that your audience will view the resume using our responsive website design. This means that your text will automatically adjust based on the size of the user's internet browser, especially mobile browsers, so none of your information will go unseen. PDF files are more printer-friendly than web pages, and many employers still prefer a hard copy of your resume, so you can upload a PDF version of your resume as a text or button link. Highlight the text and click the link icon. Once the editor is open, you'll see 3 tabs. Select the Files tab. Click New File to select a file from your computer, or drag a file directly into the Add a File area to upload it. The new file will appear in the existing File tab. There, you can click on the file you want to link. When clicked, the file will download or open in a new tab or window, depending on your visitor's browser. Visitors can also right-click or option-click on a Mac to download the file directly to their computer. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.